Okay, in this short tutorial we're going to look at forms, and we're going to look at how a real database may look. So if you look on the screen, you'll notice that I've no information on the left hand side. I do have buttons at the top, but they're hidden. And the first page of my database when I've opened it is a navigation. So I only have one button, but I do have a logo that's been put on there. And when I click that button, it will take me to my James Bond form where I could go through. So I'm going to go down the bottom here and have a look at all the records to do with my James Bond films, and I can have a look at all those records. If I wanted to make a new record, so I've just highlighted and hovered over that button, I could create a new James Bond if I knew of a new James Bond film. Let's go back to this tab. This is how databases work. We're used to, aren't we, when we're creating our database, having access to all these things and actually having access to our menu at the top, but that's not how real databases work. If you were to work in a business, this is all you'd see. You'd see a series of buttons and a series of labels telling you where you needed to go, and you would only have access to the things that the system would allow you to. So a database can be set up in Access like this, and that is how databases in the real world would work.